Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to solve x power 4 minus 1 is equals to 0, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So x power 4, we can write it as x square whole square, and here 1 as 1 square. So here we can use the very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as x square plus 1 or x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x square plus 1, in this case, we can write it as x square minus 1 square. Again, in this case, we can use this identity, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write it as x plus 1 or x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have three roots for this equation. So our case first is when x square plus 1 is equals to 0. If I take this plus 1 to other side, minus 1. So the value of x is under root minus 1. Now case second, x plus 1 is equals to 0. If I take plus 1 to other side, so the value of x is minus 1. Now case third, when x minus 1 is equals to 0, so the value of x is plus 1. So we have three values of x, that is under root minus 1. We can call it iota also, and minus 1 or 1. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.